St. Mary's Convent School, Mariam Nagar, class LKG. Activity time. Today we will do Independence Day activity. Materials required are Fevicol, Rajma, Moong dal, Masoor dal, pencil, blue color, white color sheet, eraser and marker. On the white color sheet, I have written St. Mary's Convent School, class LKG. You have to mention your section also. Date 07.08.2020. Heading Independence Day Activity. On this white color sheet, with the help of pencil, I have drawn the Indian flag. You can take help from your parents. Now, with the help of sketch pen, I will draw the outlining of the flag. Like this, we will do the outlining of the flag with the help of black color sketch pen. Our outlining is finished. Now, with the help of different dal, we will fill the different columns of the flag. With the help of these dal, we will color our flag. Firstly, we will apply the Fevicol on the first portion. Like this, we will apply it all over. Fill it fully because we have to paste dal. If we will not apply Fevicol perfectly, the dal will not paste here. Fill it. Fill whole portion with Fevicol. You can see I have filled all the portion with Fevicol like this. Now I will take the dal and spread it on the Fevicol like this. We will spread it all over. If you want to take one by one, you can take one by one. If you want to spread it like this, you can spread it. Spread it on whole portion. Like this, and press it. It will be pasted on Fevicol. Our first portion is finished. First portion is of Indian flag is of saffron color. That's why we have used this dal to show this color. Now on the third portion, we will apply Fevicol. Like this, we have to apply Fevicol on whole portion. Like this, spread it on whole portion. Spread it all over the portion because we have to paste the dal on it. If we will not apply Fevicol properly, dal will not paste here and our flag will not look good. Now you can see I have applied the Fevicol all over. Now to fill this portion, I have taken this moong dal. But in this section, we have to take care that green portion of this dal will come upwards. So we have to put it like this, one by one. Okay? Put it one by one because we have to show green part on the upper surface. Like this, you have to pour it and paste it on the dal. You can see I am taking one and putting it like this, that the green part will come upwards. You also have to do like this only. Now we fill it fully. You can see this portion is also filled with green dal, that is moong dal. Now we will apply Fevicol on this pillar. Now we will apply Fevicol here. Like this, on the full pillar we will apply Fevicol. You can see I have applied the Fevicol on whole pillar like this. After applying pillar, now we will paste the rajma one by one like this on this whole pillar, because pillar is a brown color and we will cover this pillar with rajma. As you can see, I had already applied the Fevicol, that's why I am pasting it like this. Is it very easy? I hope you are liking it, and our flag is also looking very interesting and attractive. Like this I have pasted. Now here also I will paste it like this. Easy na? You have to do it like this. You have to paste rajma like this. Now we will fill blue color on this circle like this. You have to fill the circle with blue color. Which color? Blue color. Fill it like this. Like this we will fill it. Now our flag is ready. Thank you and have a nice day.